We had a patient who would always use the line, "Give me my money's worth." And he thought if you worked it harder, if you were more aggressive, you'd do better and you'd get better quicker. Well, that was the opposite, because if you overworked him, his back would lock up, tighten up, and he'd be miserable. So we knew he was joking. One day, he went to see a new massage therapist. Mind you, she was about 5'3", super small, super little. So he tells her, "Give me my money's worth." So she thinks, all right, this guy wants it pretty deep, pretty aggressive. She works him over. He never once says stop. He never once says that's too much. He was just biting his lip, trying to grit it out. He could hardly walk out of the treatment room. He was so sore, so miserable, and so locked up that he just hurt extra for a week. His wife just looks at him and goes, "Why didn't you tell her to stop?" He goes, "I wanted my money's worth." That complete lack of sometimes more is not better. You need to do what the body can handle. If you do too much, the body's going to tighten up and you're going to be miserable. So that's why in treatment, we think you might be here, that threshold, so we're going to shoot for here on day 1 and 2. And then we'll come up to it. And then we'll start bumping the threshold. If we overshoot on day 1, we'll make you miserable, and then you'll go downhill and feel worse. So treatment's that progression. I'll put a stimulus into you, see how you respond. If you can handle a little bit more, we will. If you can't handle it, we want to back off. Because our goal is to get you better, not make you miserable.